LG G6 to sport 13 megapixel dual rear cameras. Microsoft and Flipkart announced cloud partnership in India. Xiaomi Mi 6, Mi 5C specifications leaked. It's February 20th and this is 360 Daily. New details of Xiaomi's next flagship, rumored to be called the Mi 6, has surfaced, which hints at two possible variants. One with up to 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage and a WQHD display, and a higher-end version with a dual-edged curved display, 6GB of RAM and a ceramic body. The company is also rumored to unveil an affordable version of the Mi 5 called the Mi 5C, which according to the recent leaks is set to ditch the home button. Other specifications are rumored to include a Snapdragon 625 SoC, 3GB of RAM, a 12 megapixel rear camera and a 3200 mAh battery. LG has yet again teased another feature of its upcoming G6 flagship smartphone, which is all set to be unveiled on Sunday ahead of MWC 2017. LG has confirmed that the G6 will feature a dual 13 megapixel rear camera setup and that the rear camera will have a 125-degree field of view and the front camera will have a 100-degree wide-angle lens. Based on the teasers LG has been releasing thus far, we know that the G6 will have a wider aspect Quad HD display, quad DAC support, dust and water resistance, and a new look to the user interface. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for live coverage from MWC later in the week. At the Microsoft AI conference held in Bangalore on Monday, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella and Flipkart co-founder Binny Bansal announced that Flipkart will be exclusively using Microsoft Azure as its public cloud. Using AI and platform technology from Microsoft, we can improve experiences for customers, said Bansal. Microsoft Azure will add cloud technologies and analytics to Flipkart's existing data centers, and its global scale should allow for continued expansion as needed. HTC is set to launch the U Ultra smartphone on Tuesday, which is the first phone in the U series to make it to India. The company announced this alongside the U Play last month post CES, but the invites being sent out only mention the U Ultra, so we could be looking at a later launch date for the smaller sibling. The big highlight in the U Ultra is the artificial intelligence-based system called Sense Companion, which is set to provide the user with intelligent suggestions based on your daily routine. It also features a secondary ticker-style display above the main display for priority alerts. Apple has reportedly acquired Israel-based AI startup RealFace for an estimated $2 million. Set up in 2014, RealFace has developed a facial recognition software that gives users a smart biometric login. This acquisition ties in with Apple's reported plans to include facial recognition in its iPhone lineup this year. Apple also acquired AI-based startup Emotion earlier this year, which uses software to read the expressions of individuals and crowds. So that's it for this edition of 360 Daily. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.